looks good. Here comes Afterburner. You can feel that kick in right there. And there is 50 knots. 275. Ready, hit it. And there you go. We're climbing away. Departure to Lincoln 7 Airborne passing 3,000 for 9,000. We're going to roll inverted here to level off. Departure compass 58 All right, you ready to go? We're going to roll to the left. Ready, hit it. And there you go. We are upside down. So if you look up, you'll see the ground, which is a little weird. Ready, hit it. You're almost there. Keep fighting for me. And you're straight up and down. You're good. You want to do some aileron rolls?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Here we go. Throttle's going to come back to idle. We're going to nose the jet over. And there is 0 G's. So let your arms and legs kind of float up. See what it's like to be out in space.
Whoa.
Pretty weird, huh?
Yeah.
And as the nose keeps tracking down here, I'm going to let go of the stick. And we're right back to 1G.
Oh, yeah, that was cool.
So there you go. Wave to your city.
So pretty.
Yeah, it's very nice. All right, you ready to go? Ready, hit it. Keep fighting for me, you're halfway there. All right, Claire, how you doing? You still with me, Claire?
Whoa. Did I pass out?
You did. We lost you for a little bit, but you're back now.
Dang it.
All right, we're going to pull the plane in here, stop it, and I'm going to shut this thing down just kind of like I started it up. So the camping's going to come off.
Oh.
Welcome back.
Oh my gosh.
Claire, welcome back.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for coming with us. On behalf of the team, there's a little token of our appreciation.
Cool.
A little memory for you. Yeah, we appreciate you coming.
Whew. That was crazy.